Your video kind of looks like the car wizards.
That's good or bad?
Well, for the people who think YouTubers copy each other, bad. But
No coyotes, no wolves.
no unexpected visitors. Why is the boat sideways?
Because we'll have to move it a little bit.
Since when can we get rid of this furnace? Dad.
Hopefully, sometime.
What do you mean hopefully sometime? I thought we got rid of this thing a while ago. Where do we keep it? YouTubers don't sometimes just play a video of what, like the area and what they're doing and their truck backing out. Then they hop to the intro. They don't hop to the intro always at the start.
Okay. Welcome to Factotum Life. Today we dragged out our abandoned boat.
It's not abandoned, Dad. This thing actually, we went on this last year. I should have got footage of that so that I could prove. Dad, is it filming?
Yes, it's filming.
Oh, I just saw mice. I just saw mice. Mice.
There's mice?
Yeah.
Where?
I saw one go through there. Oh, shoot.
I can get out of there.
Could I get maybe an airlift?
How big was it?
It was humongous. It was like this thick. Was it a rat? It was like a...
That's great.
That's great.
Welcome to Factotum Life. We dragged out our rat-infested boat.
Yep, it's rat infested. I just saw a rat in there. Well, could we get like some santan down here?
Okay, hold on. Let me try this again. Welcome to Factotum Life. Today we are going to be working on our 1972 Fiberglass Alumacraft boat with a Volvo 2.3 liter inboard-outboard engine. We have not used this boat for well over 11 years, and the last time it was registered was 2013. Upon inspection of it, basically what's going on is the the back end of the frame or body of the boat is soft, and the engine's starting to kind of sag down. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to pull the engine hopefully today or tomorrow at some point this week, and we're going to further assess what sort of damage has been done.
Off on. And could you do the first smash? Okay. Will this thing pop off on me?
No, it will just kind of go like this.
How kind of them. Now we have to do another one.
Nope, and then
Is it in the correct? Okay, so. Will this thing fall on me? Dad? Will this thing fall on me?
no,
Once I unscrew that.
no, don't unscrew that.
That last one?
Yeah, no, we're not unscrewing that. This is, you'll see here. All right, unscrew this one.
Gloves? Do you guys need gloves?
Probably at some point.
What's next after this?
This is an impact screwdriver.
But
So what you do is it goes in, and then when you hit it, it ends up.
loosening it.
Mm-hmm.
And we have officially almost gotten this up. Oh, I see a line. I see a line. Right here. There's a connected line.
Yeah, you see multiple lines actually. The shifter. How do I get that out?
Where's the screwdriver? Can I get a screwdriver?
I need a little.
I found a screw.
Because otherwise you'd strip out the head if it. Come on. There we go. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up, hold up, hold up.
I know the correct size.
Okay.
You have the correct
No,
size.
just. This is the transmission, so when it goes like down, I believe it's drive, and when it's up, it goes reverse,
This is
and
neutral.
then this is neutral. So
You don't want to
we
mess
want
with that.
this cable
Off.
off, and I believe it will actually slide right out if I, let me get pliers.
You already have them. And once this is out, we can start working on the engine. Oh, that only took us 3 hours.
Yep.
Good. Making good progress.
Are you,
That's sarcastically.
no, that's sarcasm?
Yes,
Okay.
because we're not making great headway, are we?
Well,
I expected at least to get the engine out today.
did you?
Unless you want to do this nighttime.
Alright, this is out. So we'll
Didn't
just-
a rain just come out?
I know. Okay, that is. Well, we still gotta take that off. So that's what we'll
Oh,
do.
I see a little thing that.
Take this off.
Completely?
Yeah.
Is that the brake line?
No, it's the shift cable.
Should I hop in the boat?
Not yet.
Oh, Dad.
Yeah.
So I'm at the beach, and I see a fighter jet fly over, going like off, like going sonic. Like it got authorized to go sonic.
Okay.
I heard a fighter jet. It's like a loud sound. I mean loud.
Okay.
I'm at the beach. I look up, and there's like an F-35 going like Mach 23 or Mach 18. Dad. And it looked like it came from the Duluth Air Base. And I'm like, what's the military doing playing with their toys? You know?
Where does that go to?
I don't know. I'm not the person who makes this boat.
Oh! I could have swore. There we go. Ed.
Stop! See?
Perfect. It's perfect.
Are you actually serious?
Yeah.
I think the...
Nope, still not ready to be taken out.
Okay, try this.
Trade you. If I pull it down, it goes faster. A little bit more. There.
Yeah. Back up a little bit.
You can't lift this immediately,
Yeah, it's lifting.
but we have tension.